Now, from the same topic, death of a partner, we are going to do the treatment of goodwill. When the partner died, how we will do the treatment of goodwill? So the question is, D, E, F, P and Z were partners in a firm, sharing profit in the ratio of 5:4:3:2:1 respectively. Unfortunately, P and Z met with a tragic car accident in which both of them died. The goodwill of the firm was valued 1,50,000. D, E and F decided to share future profit in the ratio of 4:6:5 respectively. Past journal entry. So the question is, partners are D, E, F, P and Z. 5 partners are there. Profit sharing ratio 5:4:3:2:1. This is the profit sharing ratio. 5:4:3:2:1. Unfortunately, P and Z, these two partners met with an accident, tragic car accident in which both the partner died. This one, the old ratio. After the date, the firm is reconstituted and D, E and F continue the firm, and the new profit sharing ratio between them is 4:6:5. 4:6:5. This is the new profit sharing ratio. Goodwill on the date of death is valued. Goodwill is valued rupees 1,50,000 on the date of death. This is the question. The question is, there are the 5 partners D, E, F, P and Z. Old ratio between them is this. These two partners met with an accident and died. So remaining 3 partners continue the firm with the new profit sharing ratio 4:6:5. Goodwill of the firm is valued on the date of death is 1,50,000. So what we do first, we will find out the gaining ratio first. Gaining ratio means new ratio when exceed with the old ratio, it means it's a gaining. So we will calculate the gaining ratio first. Gaining ratio means when the new ratio exceed the old ratio, then it's a gain. Otherwise, if old ratio exceed the new, then it's a sacrifice, because I am putting the formula of gaining. So come to the partner D, this partner. The new ratio is 4/15. 4/15. 4 plus 6, 10 plus 5, 15. 4/15, and this one is 5/4, 5, 9, 11, 12, 13, 9, 11, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 5/15. Okay, 5/15. So LCM is 15. Here 4 minus 5, 1/15. Here the negative result, it means sacrifice. Come to the next partner E. Old ratio of E is, the new ratio is 6/15. New ratio. Old ratio 4/15. So he is the gainer by 2 by 15. He is gaining. He is gaining because formula is, I have put up the formula of gain. So next is F. Old ratio, new ratio is 5 by 15. Old is 3 by 15. Okay. So 5 minus 3 2 upon 15. It's also a gain. So two partners are gaining. These two partners are gaining and one is sacrificing. And here the two partner has died. So they both of them has sacrificed. Both of them has sacrificed. They have sacrificed in favor of the new partner. How much? 2 by 15 and Z 1 by 15. They have sacrificed 2 by 15 and 1 by 15 respectively. Now, the treatment of goodwill, the partner who has sacrificed, they have sacrificed. So, partner who has sacrificed, their capital account will be debited. So, their capital account will be credited. So, P's capital account, Z's capital account, and D is also sacrificed. So D's capital account, these partners' capital account will be credited, and the partner who is the gainer, E's capital account and F capital account, F's capital account will be debited. G, E and F capital account will be debited. E's capital account and F's capital account will be debited. Okay. By how much amount? We'll multiply to 1,50,000. Multiply to 1,50,000. Okay. So 1,50,000 is the total goodwill. So it is 10,000 to D, 10,000 to D, 1,50,000, E, 20,000 to E, 1,50,000. So again 20,000 to F, P, 1,50,000. So it is 20,000, 1,50,000, 20,000 to P, and to Z 1,50,000. So 10,000 to Z. So this will be the journal. E's capital account debit, F's capital account debit, because both the partner is the gainer. They compensate to the partner who has sacrificed after the death of the existing partner. So the partner who had died, their ratio are transferred to these partner. The partner is gaining, and when these two partners died, the gainer is who? E and F is the gainer. So in the E and F will compensate. D is also sacrificed. So D's capital will be credited, Z's capital will be credited, and P's capital will be credited. And these two will be debited because these two partners has to compensate these three partners after the change in profit sharing ratio. So narration will be very simple, being treatment of goodwill is done at the date of death of a partner in their gaining and sacrificing ratio. Okay.